Hi, welcome to my channel, Sparkle and Glue. So glad you're here. So I thought I would share with you a really easy little folio album you can make really quickly with just 2 sheets of 8.5 by 11 paper. So how this came about is I just didn't know what to make. Sometimes I think we get, I don't know if you guys, this happens to you or not, but I really would like to make something. I just don't have a project in mind or what I want to do. And I kind of just came up with this, and it's, if you are kind of just want to do a little crafting but not really think about what you're doing and just have some fun, and I think this is a great little project. So let me show you what I did. So it's 2 pieces of paper, and I'm using color because so I had these scraps lying around. It was from Minte, and I think it's called Blossom Serenity, and it is such a pretty paper, and I just used up the pack, and I had a little left, and it's been just sitting in the little craft, drawer or whatever you want to call it. Just I don't know. So I thought, well, yellow would be great with that. So anyway, all right, 2 pieces of cardstock. Put it on the 11 side. You're gonna cut right in half, which is 5.5. And then you can either score at 4.25 because it's 8.5, or you can just fold in half, whatever you prefer. But we'll just score so our lines are nice. But you certainly could just fold it. So it's 8.5. I'm just doing it at 4.25 to make a half. And 4.25. 4.25, and like I said, you really could just fold this, but oops, 4.25. Okay, so we have our pieces, and that's basically it. We have our book, and all I did is put the pages inside each other, and I measured a half an inch from just in a little bit, and put a little pencil mark at just a half an inch, and then I'm going to do the same here. Just let me turn this around, and I'm just going to say a half an inch, and I took my awl and just pushed it through. And then I thread the ribbon, lace. It's a little roll of lace I have, and I thread, and I think I don't know if you guys have seen it before, but I got this on Amazon, and they're little, I guess, knitting or tapestry needles, but they have a very wide eye, and they're bent, and so they go through very easily. It's a little harder when you have the ribbon or lace on it. You really have to pull through, and then I just tied this on. And then you basically have your whole base ready to go with 2 pages, and most of it's really just folding in half. So, and then just to, if you want it, like, so I added pockets, and let me just show you how easy it is. The measure just a little bit under, so this is 4.25 is what we cut. So I'm just cutting the pocket at a little over 4, and I did it by 2.5. I think this one maybe was a little lower, and then just glue it on. So here, I think I wrote that down right. So a drop over 4 because it was 4 1/4, and I did it by 2 1/2. And then you can glue them in anywhere you feel like. So, and now you have pockets, and you can do it on any kind of scraps you have laying around, or if you do have some matching paper. And then for the corner pockets, all I did was take a piece that was 4 by 5 and just cut it on the cutting at a diagonal, and then you can just add corner pockets. So, and then you can do as many or as few as you want. And then I glued lace, which you don't obviously have to do. I just had the lace here and I glued it on. And I stuck this Minte paper came with, you know how it's the page with the cards? I guess they're tags, but it's really just, maybe they had 10 or 12 of these. So I had them, and then I made some tags out of some of the leftover paper. And this is the back of the paper. And just more I folded a little envelope. So whatever you have around, you can go ahead. Let me show you that little piece of paper. I thought that was kind of cool. So I got this ruler that has a wavy edge, and this one is really jagged. I don't like it as well. But this is so fun if you just want to make. So you just put your paper on. It does work a little better with light, thinner paper, so copy paper. But then, just like that, and you have torn edges. So I'll show you the other side, and maybe it'll work okay on this. It's just really jagged for me, but you know, depending on what you're looking for. I kind of think that the other side is a little smoother, and it's just on a little ruler. I can link this below, but I do really like that. Anyway, so I just tore a page and inked a little bit on it, and you can add it in here. Anyway, I just thought I would share with you in case you were sort of in the middle of a project, didn't have another one you wanted to work on, but you really just wanted to craft. I thought this might be kind of relaxing and nice, and you know, if you make mistakes or it doesn't come out great, you know, nothing to feel bad about. It was 2 pieces of paper. And also I thought, you know, I don't know if any of you have kids or grandkids, but if they're over when you're crafting, if you put together a little book like this for them and let them go ahead and glue things on and color, it will keep them busy and maybe give you some time to craft. Anyway, I don't know, but thanks for stopping by my channel, and I hope this maybe makes you a little happy, bring some joy somewhere, and I hope you guys have a great day. Keep sparkling. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.